Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Hi DJ Lala. Ako si Ash. Hindi ko na po alam kung ano ba talaga ako. High school pa lang ako, nagkakagusto na ako sa kapwa ko babae. At the same time, nagkakagusto din ako sa lalaki na classmates ko. As in, minahal ko siya. Fast forward sa pag-college ko sa Manila. Alam ko lalaki pa rin po ang gusto ko. Hanggang sa may nakilala ako at nagkagusto na naman po ko sa kapwa ko babae. Opo, ganyan po siya kagulo. Ako rin, hindi ko na alam kung ano ba talaga ako. Sa ngayon, dito sa pinagtatrabahuhan ko, 5 months ko pa lang na supervisor yung boss ko. Pero nahulog na naman po ako sa kanya. Single mom siya at lagi ko siyang kausap. Sa lahat ng babae na nagustuhan ko, never po akong umamin. Dahil ang ine-expect sa akin ng mga tao at lipunan ay yung opposite gender ang magugustuhan ko. Pero alam ko sa sarili ko na kapag nagsettle na ako, yon ay sa isang lalaki. Pero right now, sobrang pagtatago ang nararamdaman at lagi kong ginagawa. Lalo na sa current situation ko. Binibinggan ko ng mga bagay na gusto yung supervisor ko para that way, napaparamdam ko sa kanya na gusto ko siya. Saka masarap po sa pakiramdam ko na natutuwa siya. Pero alam ko naman na wala tong patutunguhan. Everyday ko siyang iniisip. Naiinis na nga ako sa sarili ko. Hindi ko naman pwedeng hindi siya kausapin o iwasan dahil nga supervisor ko siya. Ano po ba yung dapat kong gawin? Leaving my current work will not solve my problem dahil for sure, mahuhulog lang din ako sa bago kong makikilala. Hindi ko na alam. Wala yata tong solusyon. Sa edad kong to from high school till now, same pa din yung problem na hinaharap ko. Again, hindi ko po alam kung ano ba talaga ako. Hi Ash! Well, first of all, not knowing kung ano ba yung preference mo, kung lalaki or babae, it's a journey, my love. It's a process. Kumbaga, it's not something na pwede mong i-define at diktahan yung sarili mo na it should be like this. Kasi alam mo naman sa sarili mo na at some point, kumakawala pa rin yung true self mo. So na, fall ka pa rin sa lalaki, minsan na-fall ka sa babae. Siguro, my love, what you have to focus on is not exactly who are you falling in love with, but if you are really falling in love with that person. Naintindihan mo ko, my love, do not question kung para saan papunta yung nararamdaman mo. Questionin mo yung katotohanan sa likod ng nararamdaman mo. Kasi we can all be attracted to someone, my love eh. Pwede tayong maging infatuated to someone. We can adore someone so much. I mean, for example, pwede akong magandahan kay Tanya. Sa ugali niya, sa personality niya, sa strength niya, sa mukha niya. But that shouldn't mean that I am in love with this person. I just adore this person. Siguro, my love, the problem with you is the part wherein you distinguish kung ano ba talaga yung nararamdaman mo. Upon your letter kasi, what I notice is, parang sa kada pupuntahan mo, I don't know if it's a must or it's just the way it is, pero lagi kang nafo-fall. Lagi kang nai-in love. Parang kahit saan mo dalhin yung sarili mo, it's a guarantee you'll fall for someone. What if this time you don't? Diba? You try not to label it as falling in love if it's not that strong enough to be defined as love. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? When you say I'm in love with this person kasi, it means that you know almost everything about this person and yet you feel intensely connected to that someone eh. Feeling ko kasi, my love, the reason why nahihirapan ka pang i-define what true love is kasi hindi mo pa din nararanasan to be in a relationship with someone. Kung naranasan mo man, it's not yet it. Kumbaga, hilaw pa hilaw pa sa pilit yung definition mo of love, relationship, connection, romance. Hilaw pa silang lahat. That's why you're confused. Kung yung nararamdaman mo ba is adoration, infatuation, love, romance, you don't know. Para ka lang bumibitaw ng mga bullets. Pero you don't even know what you are aiming for. So my love, take a breather. Diba? Take a breath. Give yourself some time to just enjoy your individuality. Kasi minsan, hindi naman ibang tao yung magde-define ng kung sino ba talaga tayo eh. We define ourselves in our own pace and in our own way. So instead of defining yourself by being in a relationship with someone, have a journey ng ikaw lang muna. Travel that journey alone. Kilalanin mo yung sarili mo. Try to draw experiments, read books about it. If you are confused, talk to someone na sabihin na natin expert sa mental health ng isang tao so you don't feel bad about yourself because you are confused. Kumbaga, take that journey alone and just get to know who you are. Bigyan mo yung sarili mo na mag-settle na ito ako before you venture in relationships. And if ever you are feeling something for someone, wag mo siya agad i-categorize as love para hindi ka nako-confuse. Para hindi ka nasasaktan na hindi mo naiintindihan yung nararamdaman mo. Kasi sa totoo lang may mga times na yes, kinikilig ako sa mga babae. Because they are pretty, they are smart. Pero I don't categorize it as love. I sometimes idolize. I sometimes adore people. Pero again, when it comes to love, it's a deeper kind of connection eh. Before mo masabing I'm in love with this person. So before mo i-admit sa sarili mo na I have fallen in love, or before mo sabihin sa sarili mo na I'm completely head over heels sa isang taong to, stop for a moment. Take a pause. Huwag kang magpakaata at pumasok sa isang relationship or have a romantic connection to anyone. Kilalanin mo lang muna yung sarili mo. Alamin mo yung gusto mo. Alamin mo what makes you happy. Alamin mo what makes you sad. Alamin mo what makes you feel like parang kumakabog yung dibdib mo. Alamin mo kung ano yung pangarap mo. Alamin mo muna kung ano yung direction mo before you go dun sa detail ng romance. Ikaw na nga nagsabi by the end of the day, you still want to be married to a guy. You still want to have your own family with a guy. Pero that is what you want basing on what you think. Not because it's something that you know deep within you na ito talaga yung mangyayari. But if that's the case, na eventually you'll have a family with a guy, then why waste your time trying to find love elsewhere? 'Di ba? Why waste your time sa pagde-define pa ng kung ano-ano dyan sa dibdib mo, kung alam mo naman pagdating sa dulo, ito yung magiging gusto mo. Masasaktan mo lang hindi yung sarili mo, kundi yung taong makakaharap mo in the process of it, just because you want to experience or sabihin na natin, give definition to what you feel. Do you get me, my love? Yan ang mahirap kapag nag-e-experiment ka pa lang and you don't know what you want. Feelings and people can get hurt along the way. That's the reason why lagi nating sinasabing before you enter any relationship, any commitment, make sure you are 100% ready to be committed. You are 100% ready to be responsible for that someone. Hindi trial and error ang pagmamahal kung hindi mo pa nade-define if you really know what love is to begin with. So my love, again, stop trying to make it a race or karera to find a relationship, to find love. kilalanin mo muna yung sarili mo. Being alone doesn't mean you're lonely. Being single doesn't even have to mean na malungkot ka, na walang nagmamahal sa'yo, na hindi ka worthy mahalin, na hindi ka na magiging masaya. Sometimes being alone means getting to know yourself enough so you would know what to offer sa relationship once you're ready. So again, my love, there's no need for you to rush. Just enjoy your individuality. Yung pagiging single mo. Until you are mentally, physically ready to be in a relationship with whomever your heart chooses. Claro? Claro.